Did Delhi police use pellet guns during the student protests on 20th July? They denied using pellet guns during the protests at Jantar Mantar. But medical reports, injured protesters' accounts, and multiple media investigations have raised serious questions about that claim. According to The Hindu, 19-year-old protester Sahil Lochab underwent surgery during which doctors allegedly removed multiple metallic pellets from his eye. His family said doctors told them that there was only a 1% chance of restoring vision in his right eye. Another injured protester, Sheikh Irshad Mansoori, underwent surgery at Lady Hardinge Medical College to remove a metallic pellet lodged beneath his eye, according to media reports. Outlook also reported that one of its journalists sustained injuries from what it described as pellet-like projectiles while covering the protest. According to the print, Mansoori alleged that he saw an RAF personnel in blue uniform aiming a weapon in his direction. Seconds later, he said pellets struck his face, neck, and eyebrow. The Wire reported that Mansoori was among the injured protesters whom Union Health Minister JP Nadda visited at Lady Hardinge Hospital. Cockroach Janata Party spokesperson Saurav Das also shared videos claiming the injuries on protesters' faces resembled pellet wounds. After these claims surfaced, Delhi police reiterated that no pellet guns were used during the protest. The Rapid Action Force was deployed alongside Delhi police on 20th July. So far, the CRPF, under which the RAF functions, has not issued a public statement addressing these allegations. As of now, there is no official evidence in the public domain conclusively proving that pellet guns were used during the 20th July protest. Pellet guns were first used extensively for crowd control in Jammu and Kashmir around 2010. Leading to hundreds of serious injuries, including cases of permanent vision loss. In 2016, the Supreme Court said pellet guns should be used with caution. A year later, the centre told the court they were meant to be used only as a last resort for crowd control.